Take a ride in the 2017 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, fog lamps, tires, front performance, FWD, tires, rear performance, 4-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.